parenti grasps the snake in its strong venom-laced jaws, and the king brown puts up a fight. An aggressive strike disorientates the parenti, giving its victim the chance to escape. To maximize its chance of survival in the arid interior, the king brown has evolved a resistance to venom. The king sinks its fangs into the youngster and chews to inject its own deadly venom. A nest of eggs would be a big win for the python. But first, it must deal with the nest's owner. Especially when your opponent is this feisty. Today, the python has learned a valuable lesson.